In this video, I will show you how to fix call index problem on Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. Open your quick setting panel. Turn on airplane mode or flight mode for 10 seconds. After that, turn it off. Now try to call your desired number and see if your problem remains or has been gone. If your problem persists, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 2. Go to the settings of your device. Tap on connection. Tap on mobile network. Turn on the Volt call for your SIM card if you found it's off, and also select your network to auto connect. Once it is completed, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 3. Open settings. Search for reset. Tap on reset mobile network settings. Reset mobile network settings. Select your SIM card which is causing this problem. If you have dual SIM card on your phone, then tap on reset settings. This time, I hope your problem will be fixed. If you still having problems, check if the number you are calling is in use by calling the number from another phone. You can also call your network service provider's helpline number to report the problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.